Hello and welcome back to Officina Virtuale. Let's continue our manual clamp, and today we're going to be making our clamp foot. So in mechanical design and part design, let's call this part clamp foot and let's click on OK. Now let's select our YZ plane, and on this plane we can sketch a centered rectangle. We want coincidence between the origin and our center point, and we can fix this distance, let's say 20 millimeters, and let's fix this distance here 20. Exit workbench, and we can extrude this with our pad command, let's say 10 millimeters with mirror extend, and OK. Now let's select the surface, and on the surface we can sketch a hole, and as diameter let's say 6 millimeters, and as extension we can say up to next. We can fix this position. We want coincidence between this point and the YZ plane, coincidence, and coincidence between this point and plane, coincidence. Let's click on OK, exit workbench, and OK. Let's make this chamfer. We can select this hole as reference, and let's say 0.2 preview. OK. Now let's select the surface, and on the surface we can sketch our profile. We can select an axis, for example, like this. We want a vertical axis. We want this distance, let's say 1.5 millimeters. We can fix this distance, let's say 6 millimeters. Okay, and now we can sketch our triangle. We can select this element, and with our mirror option, let's make this. We can fix this angle here, let's say 90 degree. Okay, and we can close our sketch. Okay, and let's fix his length, let's say 10 millimeters. We want 12 millimeters. We want an iso-defined sketch, so let's make this length 12 millimeters. Now we can exit workbench, and we can use our pocket, and as extension we can select up to next, and we can click on OK. Now let's open our specification tree, and let's select our pocket. Now we can use our rectangular pattern, and we can realize our pattern, let's say 3 different instances with 6 millimeters as spacing, and as reference let's select this edge here. Okay, and OK. Now let's make something different. Let's select our pocket one, and let's click on rotation. Yes, I want. We can use as axis this element here. Let's select 90 degrees, and let's click on OK. Now we double click on our sketch. As you can see here, we've got this element, hide and show, and we can use this to make our, let's select this as element, and up to next selection, and let's click on OK. Now we can select our second pocket, and we can click on our rectangular pattern, we need to select this edge as reference, and as you can see here, we need to reverse the direction, preview, and OK. Now we can hide this to a different plane, hide and show, and we can select Dark Lamp Foot to apply material. Let's select, as always, our painting, and we can use our pastel green, apply material, and OK. And let's save this element as Lamp Foot. Save. Yes. As always, if you like this content, please consider to subscribe, share and so on. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.